So I taught this to our members yesterday, and I'm like, man, I should come out with a YouTube video and share this ridiculous like piece of data with you guys. And it's how do you predict really fast moves in the market, and how do you predict which way they're going to go? And so I wanted to kind of put together a little masterclass for you guys, because the people who have done this and have used this in our membership, and those of you guys who have our indicators, like I'm not here just like trying to like sell. You don't have to buy these. Let me just objectively show you guys like this is pretty insane. So real quick, the fastest moves in cryptocurrency happen when you have consolidation in the market. The market goes back and forth. Simply put, you got people going long, you got people going short. When the market eventually breaks to one side, what's happening here? People going long are going long already. And people going short are hitting stop losses and margin calls, and they're forced to go long. So what happens? The whole market is forced to go one direction. Now, what's the key piece of data that's missing here? How do we know in consolidation which way the market's going to break? Well, we don't know for certain, but we can use indicators to give us a bias, and we can look at their track record of history to say, do they have a record to show us probabilities of heading in one direction or the other? And that's where this gets really fascinating, because we pulled this all together and we pulled this off with two different indicators. Technically, you don't need the price for small money flow for this, so I'm actually going to, I'll close this to make it simple. This is all you guys need. And people who've been doing this have been making a really good amount of money. And yes, you can use this in stocks, cryptos, Forex, indices, whatever you guys want. So watch this. What I've been trying to teach people is that when you get the breakout detector, move down into the bottom orange zone, and you can set up an alert for this too if you want. You just go over here, go to plus, go to breakout detector. You guys can see it right here, and then breakout zone. So once per bar, and just call this BTC breakout, and then breakout zone. When you create this, when this orange line, follow me over here to the left, when this orange line dips down into this orange section, you're going to get an alert. Okay, once you get that alert, what do? You then look to see where is trades in favor. The layman's terms of this, where is favor sitting? More for long trades or more for short trades? I'm telling you guys, it literally cannot get easier than this. And I'll actually give you a risk management strategy too, which is a little different than what we use, but I'll share it with you today. So let's just take a look at the performance here. And this is what we've seen. I can even go back all the way over to here. What I like to do, guys, is I like to look for the first breakdown. So the first moment we come into breakout detector zone, where is the favor sitting? Long trade favor, short trade favor. Let's look straight up here. Where is favor sitting? Is it more to the downside, which is long trade favor, or is it short trade favor? Long. So what happened after this? We consolidated. Anybody who put trades into the market here, what happened? The market moved up substantially to the upside. Substantially. The next time, which by the way, it's the first break in. Don't get caught up in the weeds here, guys. It's the first break. This is why it makes it simple. And if you follow the alert's going to give it to you on the first breakdown. All right. First breakdown into the market. Let's just look at this unbiasedly. Where is the favor? The favor is clearly sitting to the downside for long trades. So when in this consolidation zone, everybody who took a long trade, you guys made an insane amount of money. Why? Because we had short squeezes. Remember, let's bring this full circle. People going long are going long. People going short are forced to cover their losses, and they have to go long as well. Now, let's take a look at this again. The first moment this broke down into the bottom section, which is the breakout zone, where was favor? Let's go straight up from here. Straight up as best as we can. Is it higher at the top in short trade, or is it closer to the bottom? Clearly, this is closer to the top. So anybody taking short trades here saw a massive amount of decrease to the downside. And you guys are making great amounts of money. All right, let's do this again. Breakout detector, the first time it breaks down in here. And this is a daily chart, so just check this in the morning. It breaks down in here. You tell me, where is trades in favor? Is it closer to the upside, or is it at the downside the moment it breaks in? To the upside. And what's the upside? Short trade zone, short trade favor. We're sitting at here at about a 75% chance of move back down. I'll literally tell you over here with a percentage. Okay, anybody taking shorts in here, you guys made a great amount of money to the downside. Let's look at this again. The next time this pushed down into the bottom breakout zone, where was favor? Is it to the bottom side, which is long trades, or is it at short trades? It's at the long trades. So anybody taking longs over here, you guys just made a stupid amount of money to the upside. Guys, I don't think there's ever been a system out there created like this that first focuses on the principle of where do the fastest movements come from. They come from consolidation. The breakout detector will find consolidation for you with an alert. And then all you need to do is check the trades in favor indicator if it's closer to the top side or bottom side. Now listen, is this going to work 100% of the time? Absolutely not. Like, no. But does it work a lot of the times? Yes. In fact, it has not been wrong since basically the beginning of the year. And anybody who's been trading this is a massive benefit to you guys versus trying to guess in the market. Because what a lot of retail traders do, and there's indicators in the description, you guys can buy them, and I'll show you how to get a discount here in a second. But listen to this. A lot of retail traders, they're waking up in the morning thinking, I don't know which way it's going to go. And they're trying to use technical analysis and past patterns. We developed an indicator that does the heavy lifting for you. And so you just wait for the alert. You look at where the favor is sitting based off looking at hundreds of previous bars of price action. We give you a percentage chance of a pump or a drop. You then make your decision, which is, is it higher favor for short or is it a higher favor for long? And from all these signals, you guys have not missed a single breakout in the correct direction the entire year. Like this is pretty staggering of how this actually works. And once you guys realize this, and real quick for risk management, I do suggest you guys use buy limits, but let me teach this to you guys. If you guys do see the market come down here, and obviously this is more short trade favor in this area, what I would do is put your stop losses just above previous high up here. And so this will create a very small margin of error with a very high potential for downside. Again, let's look at this. If you break into the bottom here, obviously we have long trade favor. Go down below. Don't go at wick value. Go below. Go below the lows here and put your stop losses below the lows. Okay, I would even put it, potentially 250 to 500 below the lows. Don't go crazy. Just put them below the lows. And the probability of you guys winning with a tight stop loss is massive, okay? Here's what you guys need to do. In the description, there's a link to the indicators. And what I'm going to do is we're giving you guys coupon codes off of this. It's the Pro Pack. You guys will get the trades in favor. We actually have 11 indicators for you. And you can track multiple time frames on one trading view chart. It's really cool. Watch the video on this. And the breakout detector. You guys are also going to get what's called color changing support and resistance lines, price as well, money flow, and trend dashboard. This is what you guys need. It's $4.99. We're just being really transparent. Use this coupon code and you guys will get $50 off. Guys, some of you guys are looking at this, you're like, well, it's kind of expensive. No. You guys need to be looking at how much money you're going to be making. Like when you look at the forecasted amounts here, there's 11% here. You look at the amount you guys could have made over here, looking roughly in the middle. I'm not going to go too high to be unbiased. 9% there. This over here called the peak to the top. This was 42%. This move over here in the beginning of the year when we first broke down to the move up here, that's 24%. The move we just came out of that you guys could have had to the top side potential, you're looking at about 17, 16%. Like start doing that on a $10,000 balance and you're looking at $1,600. You're looking at, $2,400. And when you look at the actual cost of this, guys, use this for years to come. It truly is the first system we've ever found to actually help predict which way the market's going to go with a high probability. Now, if you guys want to become a member and you guys want to watch us trade our live account up to over $1 million in profit, we are $397,000 in profit, and we coach you guys every Tuesday and Friday. We actually have a video that I just came out with this morning. If you guys want to get a membership for $65 a month, we'll give you an extra $150 off the indicators this morning on top of this price. So deduct another $150 from this. So guys, grab a membership or just buy it individually. But the people who've been able to just watch this and use these indicators, you guys are doing insanely well. Remember, Forex, stocks, cryptos, indices, gold, it doesn't matter. Enjoy, guys. Enjoy the profits. Linked in the description. And I will see you guys in the membership watching the future forecast this morning, where we actually ended up showing you guys pretty much concrete data of why we do not think we're going to 500,000 or 200,000 this year around. Here's some concrete, unbiased data of why we think the top is going to come a lot sooner. You don't have to agree with us, but when you look at the objective data, you're going to probably see, I should not get stimulated in emotionally biased in this market. Look at the concrete data. Enjoy the indicators, guys. Put them on your charts. Enjoy the profits. Look at what everybody else is making over here under the profits. It's pretty ridiculous what people are doing over here. And we'll see you guys in the next video. All right, guys. God bless. Links to the indicators are in the description. Bye, guys.